So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in internet options. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on the connections tab. And then you want to find LAN settings. You want to click on this. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you want to make sure you have automatically detect settings selected. And you want to make sure you have proxy server unticked. So you want to untick proxy server and then click on OK. And then click on OK again. And now for the next step, you want to head over to your web browser and then click on the three dots in the top right. And then click on history and then click on history again. The steps that I'm showing you may look different depending on your web browser, but it's still going to be quite similar. So now you're going to click on delete browsing data. And now once you're on this, you're going to set the time range to all time. And you want to make sure that you have cookies and other site data and cache images and files both selected. You can unselect everything else if you want to, but make sure you have cookies and cache both selected, and then click on delete data. And now for the next step, you're going to click on the three dots again, and then click on extensions, and then click on manage extensions. If you have any extensions that you think may be causing a problem, you either want to disable it or remove it, and then click on remove again. And now you just want to restart your web browser, so you're going to close it, and then open it back up again, and then the problem should be fixed. If not, just restart your computer, and then that should fix the problem.